Hey everybody, we're finally back to the beach. It's been 3.5 months. The conditions look really good. The swells are kind of big, but that's okay. The wind's light. Now all we need to do is catch some fish. I'm putting the shark rod out with a frozen whiting head, so maybe we'll get lucky. Alright, the shark rod's going out with that frozen whiting head. It's on her Ocean Master with our Daiwa BG8000, 7 foot of 50-pound twisted mono and 34 inches of 480 cable with an 11.0 Eagle Claw L204. So the leader's almost 10 feet long. We should be okay with about anything that we hook.
We got some action. He think it's
We actually
Blacknose.
They don't get off.
Oh, got off?
No. Maybe.
It got off?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think he was a... Damn, he got off. He
got
was
off.
a little black tip.
Yeah.
Or a huge black.
Okay.
All right,
Wow.
turn it off. Damn it. Well, the GoPro froze on the only fish of the day that she actually caught. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put the whiting head on. We was getting ready to pack up. We ain't done nothing all day. All right, she caught that decent sized whiting after we've been here about 4 hours. The shark that got off earlier, I'm almost positive that was a blacknose shark, but he might have been a big blacknose shark. But it is what it is. I'm gonna throw this out there. We got maybe an hour, hour and a half, and we're gonna leave because it's starting to get shallow out there. Boy, that was like a semi pull down on it. It's probably just a big whiting. That's a good sized whiting. Sure it is. He's probably 12 or 13 inches. Go ahead and let him go. That shark rod doesn't even have an hour when I'm putting it up. Good job. Okay, I think this is a little black tip. It's a Blacknose, it's a big one. Hopefully it don't get off like the other one. Well, if he's a Blacknose, he's a big one.
First one that we missed, and I hope this one to bring it up. Where is it?
Let me see. If it's a Blacknose, I can get it with the...
Oh, that's a small.
Oh, I think he is a big Blacknose. Hey, so... go put it in the pipe right there. Hurry up, bring it to him. Gotta get the leader. I think I... Okay, he's a Blacknose. He's actually not that big. Boy, he's a strong one. See if I can get that hook out. It's right in the corner of his mouth.
sucker was a thing.
He's kind of thick, but he's not that long.
Yeah.
Well, he fought a lot bigger than what he is.
Yeah.
Kind of heavy.
Uh-huh. Okay. Big long baba.
Yeah, I don't want to get my fingers bit off.
Yeah.
I knew I could get
They have a little
Okay, good.
sharp teeth.
I guess I might put a little piece of cut whiting and throw it out there because we was getting ready to leave.
That's it?
That might have been the same Blacknose that was on there earlier. Now, it's not much of a shark, but we're going to take it. All right, we were getting ready to leave, and I caught the Blacknose. It could have been the same Blacknose we hooked earlier in the day because it fought exactly the same. So now I got the little chunk of whiting on there. Maybe we can get another one before we leave. We're going to stay about an hour more. Maybe we'll get lucky. We're starting to pack up. If she gets this one in, she's missed a couple at the edge of the surf today. This will be number 3. And it got off at the edge of the surf, just like 2 others did today. All right, we're getting ready to leave anyway. All right, we're wrapping it up. 1 Blacknose shark and 2 whiting. Probably the same Blacknose shark we missed earlier in the day, but for our first trip in 3.5 months, we're happy with it.